Okay, I've just done a DIY stirrup modification. So this is a split leg harness that I use for paragliding, Advanced Progress 2. I struggle to get into the seat, so I really do need a stirrup. And since I need to have one, I might as well take maximum advantage of it to make my life as easy as possible. So I want it to be really comfortable. I want to be able to use it to push my bum back in the seat, and also want to use it to make it easy to access my speed bar. So this is what I've done. Here's the actual stirrup itself. I removed it from the paramotor because I wasn't using it for that. It's been adjusted for size. There's only one point on it I can attach rope, so I've got a piece of marine hank here. I've run a loop through here and just tied it on, and then there's a rubber bungee cord running down to the speed bar, so when this is extended, the speed bar is very easy to access. I've then got another piece of line, as you can see, which runs along the speed bar. I'm going to tape that up once I've shown it. It's tied off at either end. Once it's got tape around it, it won't be able to slide in, and the line runs across to prevent it from sliding outwards. And these run to the base of my seat here and on the other side. So what these do, when I put my feet in, is they pull the seat forward automatically and just get my bum into the seat. So it's really simple, really comfortable, and I've been playing around with this for about an hour, and this seems to work quite well. So I'll do a demo of it in use. So here I am in stand-up position, run, airborne, hanging by my balls, very uncomfortable. So simply feet into the bar, push her up a bit, my toes, and that's nice and comfy. I'm sunk in the seat, speed bar is right there where it's easily accessible. These two lines simply pull the seat forward. These lines, and this is really comfortable because it's taking the weight from this higher line. If I used to run the weight from the lower line, and it doesn't provide any support to the legs, but here, with it up here, I could just about fall asleep. And I'm told with the bar, weight shift is a lot better, so we'll just see how that goes. Beautiful. I'll just clean her up and go from here. This stirrup is working great. I just tiptoe in there, which pushes my bum back in the seat, and then drop her down, takes the pressure off those front things, and yeah, that feels good. Nice and comfy. Doesn't interfere with the cockpit. On all day today. Beautiful. Wind's picking up, so just switching to the speed bar. Bungee works really well, easy to access. Stirrup doesn't get in the way. Yeah, this stirrup has worked out really good. Very happy with it. Good on the Mini, good on the big wing. Yeah, hands-free getting in the seat. Still, I prefer weight shifting with my feet off the stirrup. I find it easier than using the stirrup as a counterpoint. So I don't know if the bar makes that much of a difference.